Wagwan, my people, Jano. You know it's his boy Jamaica Vibes Entertainment TV. And boy, people, me have a video phone today, trust me. Yeah, man. Some of the things with them people living in America, I have to say about the people in Jamaica. John know it na man. Yeah, man, them I say them ungrateful. Them I say them ungrateful because them I donate and some of the people them not appreciate it and them I get picky say them no want this and them no want that. You know me I say my people, but let me know what you think after you watch this video by leaving a comment in the comment section. If you are living in the US and you know you have the same sentiment and feelings, let me know. You don't know me, I say my people. And without no further delay, no my people, I want to check out and hear what some of them people have to say right about now.
I'm ever just shake my head. Because the earthquake here really reveal how proud, entitled, ungrateful, and disrespectful Jamaican people can be. You know, so to be honest, all the years we experienced, you know, little storms, you know, tropical storms and earthquakes and stuff like that. And every time it is said to come to us, it normally blows off and goes straight to Haiti. And they're always the one affected by these things, right? And they always are in need of help, care packages, you know, donations and stuff. And I have never once in my entire life see that nobody from the country that come forward and say, oh, we don't want this, we want that instead. Oh, we don't send that instead. And I have never seen any country that has experienced a disaster come forth and saying madness about, oh, we don't want this and complain of that and complain of this. No one does it, only Jamaicans. Because we're so entitled. We're so entitled. Two story in a one. One day, I don't know if the ladies from Westmoreland are St. Elizabeth, and she came and somebody was interviewing her and she was eating sardines from a can. And she was saying, Mr. Badna can't give nothing to eat. We not get nothing to eat. At the same dirty water we have to drink around there. And the woman said, oh no, you can't drink the dirty water. And to them I see this man, this backward man came forth and saying that, oh, it's only Masca bring the most sensible things come give them. Everybody's a pack cool and cream crackers and sweet cream. And if you go suck out them mother and go. And I see people are laugh but like when you think a joke. You see when them say the good, always suffer for the bad, I really something. Because can you imagine people that are firing right now pack all barrel and things to send come donate to you, and them say a bit like that. You can't imagine how you probably shift their local focus and they start categorize every single person in Jamaica and just fuck it, they not send nothing to nobody. You can't imagine that. I don't know, I repost and I laugh like when I think a joking thing and it's funny. Me not find it funny. Me find it disrespectful and rude as fuck. And when he go ball out, go suck your mother brawling. If he had came and said, hey, wanna ease up the cream crackers a little bit, man, and the eye cool them, wanna give you something else. That's a different energy. But when you come back, go suck your mother brawling, I be a fuck room no pack. Listen, I'm sorry for you. And as I said earlier about the Prime Minister, sir, you have a lot of work cut out for you. And Mr. Andrew Wellness, I don't know how you're going to deal with it, sir, but why? You have a piece of work cut out for you, honestly. And as I said before, my prayers are with you because you have it to go through. And as I always say, all on not agree with me. Disagreements are fine, and it's okay. My opinion is my opinion. Your opinion is your opinion. And I want next thing, don't come tell me of the top of my bumper clad page. Come and video for yourself and broadcast it.
Oh no, ungrateful Jamaican, no, come here. Come here. I want to talk to you. I don't need to stop. It don't sound good. It don't look good. I saw this guy post a video. He was somewhere in, he's in Jamaica, and he was driving around, he's helping with the doctors and stuff like that and the nurses in Jamaica. So they were at a location yesterday that they were serving meals to a lot of the people. And he said he served this lady a plate of food. When he handed her the food, first thing she asked, what kind of meat this? The guy said, he turned to her and said, it's brown stew chicken. Oh, take back this, man, I want you, fish me want. The poor guy said he feels so small, but because he was around all these, foreigners that was there to help, he had to just take it, because she demands that she want fish. Come on. Now, did you guys buy fish? You Jamaicans are so ignorant. God, this is not bougie. This is just ignorant and stupid. Where do you see people serving free food and serving fish? Tell me now. On a Jamaican, on a one of a kind. On a so stupid till sometimes I don't even know how stupid and I'm making myself look. This other guy, Jamaican guy, a friend of his called him from England just to check on him. He was telling the guy that things is really bad. The guy said, okay, I will try and send you something. This poor guy maybe not even have much for himself, but he sent him 20 pounds. And you know what this piece of asshole said? When he went to Western Union and found out it was only 20 pounds. Apparently the guy didn't tell him how much he could send. But when he get to Western Union, he find he told the lady at the Western Union this to send it back to sender. Him no want it, this boy at this him. If he send him 20 pounds, if he keep that. Jamaicans, gotta go show no more sign. If you can't wake up, gotta go show no more sign. You're too ungrateful. And when I say Jamaicans, I don't mean every Jamaican, because I know there's a lot of people in Jamaica that is very grateful. I'm talking about the unscrupulous, ungrateful ones. That's the ones we're talking about. Bye.
All of the Jamaican that we have friends and family are foreign and feast that you have the right to get things from these people are foreign. Listen to me, you don't have the right to get nothing from the people them. So you stop and criticize the people them. You just give thanks for the little what the people them have to give you. Because enough of you don't know what these people have to endure and find the things them have to do to just to work a local dollar. Them enough of people then go there and try to make a better life for themselves, but then still think about only in Jamaica and still try to bless you. But enough of you because you so ungrateful and greedy. Want to criticize these same people every day and just make it feel like the people there is a right for them to take care of you and lazy self at Jamaica and so it work. And so it work. The people them are try their best. I remember for these people left at Jamaica, they have all kids at Jamaica, they still have to take care. The for them have kids are foreign, they still have to take care of these kids with the local mediocre job them what them are do. But them have to find it hard to make ends meet. So just be grateful.
This video is for the one them where I tell when I send a Jamaica, when I come to the front of the line, this one I'll phone you today. Come I got teach you how to use these items and make a good meal. Instead of posting and telling us not to send them, this is how to make it work for you. Look, this is a kind of pasta sauce, my love. All you need is a pack of macaroni. You boil the macaroni, all you need is a little bit of salt in the water. If you have some oil, you drop the oil in the water so the macaroni not stick together. But that's a help you. Then you need some onion. You chop the onion, you fry it up with some scallion, thyme, and little black pepper. Put the two of them together with some butter, mix it up, you got a full meal. So you see, if you don't know all these things to work, these things don't come on social media. Look again. This is a kind of baked bean. Listen. Go back to your onion and pepper again. A little bit of butter. Fry them up. Open your can of baked bean. Mix it up. Boil some steam some white rice. You got a meal, my love. We don't have to eat meat every day. Okay? You still can make something out of nothing. Turn you on a make fashion. But because you guys have no knowledge how to be creative, on a sit down and ask on a post video and tell people what to do and what not to do. Well, I'm going to give us something to put down. Use what you have. When life give you lemon, take it and make lemonade out of it. I'm just teaching you, when you get something for free, make the best out of it. Look. This is a bottle of grape jello. How many kids in Jamaica where their parents lost everything, but they have a loaf of bread? All you have to do, open this, put some a slice of bread, slap another slice of bread on it, and you have sandwich. So these are items that you guys can use. Tomato sauce, tuna fish, jello, macaroni, baked beans. These are all items that you guys can use in a creative way and make delicious meals out of them. Instead of sitting on social media and posting and telling us not to send these things, go get creative when you don't get free stuff. or leave the people them that really need it. Because I know these ladies down in the country, trust me, when they get these items, they're going to make some whopping meal out of them. They might cook some banana and dumpling and roast bread food and fry up these things and make a whopping meal, and then belly going to be full and they're going to be grateful. So, on ungrateful, scrupulous Jamaican, and come off of social media. Bye.
Mom, let me tell you this. You see? I talk about the bumbuckler workless Jamaican them. We sit down on the yard, right? And the place dirty and cranny in front of no house. Dirty and cranny. Have whole heap of garbage. Have dead animal, right? Need to clean up. I want to sit down in our blood clot yard, sit down on the roadside and I wait for the bumbuckler government to come clean up on a place. If all our in the community come together, enough of our household have like 2 and 3 people living there. Man, me not talk about the woman them, right? Big bumbuckler strong man, sit down on veranda, sit down on roadside and a ball. Andrew Holness for do this, Andrew Holness for that. It's enough of bumbuckler to Jamaica, who don't have no respect, no bumbuckler respect. I want to give Andrew Holness no credit. But a true Andrew Holness, the Honorable Prime Minister Andrew Holness, have good mind. He not have drunk on mind like you know. They should not leave him alone in the field. My grandmother was there to say, you know, eating at the field, you know, sleeping at the field, you know, wake up in the shit. Let me tell you, because no one know where it's a field. You know, wake up in the shit, you know, sleeping at the shit, you know, nyamming at the shit, you know, it's a nasty bumbuckler, me I tell you now, Jamaica. Yeah, man. Imagine, you whole heap of bumbuckler garbage and sitting there right in front of the house. I want to sit down and yam, a drink, and I wait for the government. Come on, we don't have shovel. If we don't come together, right? I'm saying, make we help clean up the community. You go a far bumbuckler way. You must stand up, put the ramp on the side. Oh, and I call out Andrew Walls. I want to bother Andrew Walls about bumbuckler generator. The generator is not for no bumbuckler at the yard. The generator is for the hospital, the clinic them, and some of the big supermarkets so you can get supply, you can get food for them now, no stinking, dirty bumper, rascal, dirty belly. You know, love the bumbuckler Prime Minister, kind of do a good job. You know, you know, get thanks for nothing. But so like a dirty bumbuckler man. After then giving the box food, he matter about in one drinks and put back the bumbuckler box food. All you fi drop down and bumbuckler dead. We don't give no credit for nothing. We don't think that people are foreign. We are come down there. We are getting them hard blood clots, earn money out of them bumbuckler pocket, and I take them home and money and I spend and I buy bumbuckler. $50 me have in my wallet left. $50 $, because I spend out all of my bumbuckler money. I buy things for a little dirty drunk or dog, dirty minded people of Jamaica. I want to give we no credit but how you that foreign, you have everything easy. Easy a bumbuckler. You know much of we bills we have to cut back. If you buy things and send for no nasty bumbuckler to Jamaica, I want to give the people them down there no credit to not rob them and kill them. But me tell you no, if you no bumbuckler change on no ways of Jamaica, God go and come back. And God will come back with a bumbuckler category 10. Flatten bumbuckler Jamaica if you no change on no ways. We hear me say, no category 5, no category 10 more come why. And when God will come back, if you no change on no dirty bumbuckler ways, it will come back with lightning and thunder, hurricane and all the bumbuckler, you know, and earthquake and all. Let me tell you something. All of the bumbuckler church in Jamaica, 3/4 of them corrupted. Because I don't see no church sister, I don't see none of the church them come forward. I donate nothing. But next thing, but because you know why the church in Jamaica now come forward? Because enough of them corrupted and believe to the devil. I want to cast all of this in Jamaica, you know. I want to cast all of this bumbuckler hurricane of Jamaica because on the turn to the devil. And you see like you like a batty boy L.A. Lewis, we are lead the people in the wrong direction. You'll get your bumbuckler downfall. It's coming soon. The government soon take care of you or somebody will take care of your pussy hole. Because you know you L.A. Lewis, you are the bumbuckler Antichrist. You are the devil. You belong to the bumbuckler devil. You're there Jamaica and I lead the people them astray and I tell them about no blood clot hurricane now come. You dirty boy L.A. Lewis, now stop disrespect the Prime Minister. But the Prime Minister go and send the army for your bumbuckler and lock you up for a longer time. They will send you a bumbuckler, America go lock you up. and make you stay over there because use a dirty germs, L.A. Lewis, use a dirty dog, and you stinking footer hype, you dirty boy footer hype. I tell the people them about Andrew Honest, we take the Delco them and give to people them. When they give people them the Delco, how the gas station them run, how the supermarket them run, how the clinic them run, how the hospital them run, how the government place. The Delco, the generator them is for the bomb clot, clinic, hospital, gas station, some of the supermarket, and if the Prime Minister saying that in mind, right, and he have a good answer more lend to some of the people so they can charge up them phone and say, no, fuck off and left the Prime Minister alone. The Prime Minister doing a good bomb-buckler job. And you should have glad. You should have bomb-buckler glad say Andrew Holness in a party, because if it was bomb-buckler Mark Golding don't know nobody, he no travel going away, right? He never got one G7 meeting yet, can nobody don't know him. Andrew Holness established himself in the world. Andrew Holness travel all of the country, them got all of the G7 meeting them. So everybody, one think when I get so much help at Jamaica, because Andrew Holness present himself to the other bomb-clad countries, them got every meeting, if we take on a dirty bomb-clad out of crisis at Jamaica, let me tell you, fuck off and left Andrew Holness. He might do a great job. No give thanks to nothing. Dirty Jamaican, stinking, drunkard, low life, dirty heart, ungrateful. 3/4 of Jamaica, bomb-clad, ungrateful. The bomb-clad hurricane should take no found no pussy well, go see, go join on no bomb-clad, dirty thinking, drunk on.
Why, my people? And hear what them people have to say, Jaja, no. Them a burn a fire hard. I say the people of my Jamaica ungrateful, man. Me I say. But let me know what you think, in the comment section, if you feel the same way them people I feel, me I say, because everybody have a right to them opinion, me I say. One thing I have to say, people of Jamaica, if you understand, so the people when they are foreign, me I say, them a do what them can do, and them thing there. So even if them, whatever little them donate, need to appreciate it, and them thing there, can't make it look like, say, through the people them they are foreign, them have it easy, and them thing there. So whatever the people them can send, that's what them can send. So you just have to be appreciative that it, of the things them can do, me I say. But like I said, my people, if you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, me I say. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so every time we drop a video, you will be the first to be notified. Me I say, people, yeah man, I'm big up on yourself, and people like me say, make sure you leave a comment and let me know what you think about this video, about the people of Jamaica being ungrateful. Until then, my people, we checking out in the next video. See you?